Shwmae chi, croeso chi gyd wrth gwrs I Dathlu Wledig Cymru 2022. Welcome to Celebrating Rural Wales 2022.
As a consequence of leaving the European Union, the support and joint working that we've enjoyed with our European friends through the Rural Development Programme is imminently coming to an end. And of course, as we develop our Welsh approach to future funding, I'm really keen to learn the lessons from the successes that you've delivered, acknowledge where we can do more, and work together to deliver on the huge challenges that we all face.
Our first panel discussion is, as I said, land management successes, llwyddiant neu llwyddiannau hyd yn oed, rheoli'r tir. So it's now time for our chat show.
This is a site that is designated for industrial development, so we can't really say, no, you can't build there. The challenge is making sure that through good planning, developments can still result in more wildlife and more space for people to enjoy.
This project is about people's well-being, whether it is being through walking through the park or taking part in the community garden. And then it's a bit of a snowball effect, I guess, building on small successes. It's an organic process, and we just built it gradually up.
I think that public transport is really important for our sustainable future. So travelling, using public transport, jumping on the bus or on a train is really important to help with climate change and help the planet, really, that we need to be thinking of different ways to travel.
Primarily we see ourselves as food producers, and that's the primary job of every farmer. There are a number of us looking at it to produce food in a sustainable system. And that includes, how do we do that? We're looking at aeration of soil. We've got to look after the soil, for future generations.
And that's it. A round of applause, please, for all our finalists and all our winners. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd.